How to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed on PS5. Quick and easy solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed error on PS5, especially when the game says you may not proceed without being signed into a profile. First, make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account. This is extremely important because Forza Horizon 5 links your PlayStation Network account to a Microsoft account, and according to official Forza support, you generally need to continue using the originally linked Microsoft account. Start by completely closing Forza Horizon 5 and restarting your PS5. Also make sure both your PS5 system software and Forza Horizon 5 are fully updated. Now launch the game again and select Start Game. If you see the Microsoft account login screen, choose Link Accounts. You should receive an access code and QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone, or use the displayed Microsoft linking page, enter the access code, and sign in with the Microsoft account originally associated with your PSN account. Confirm the account details on your PS5 when prompted. If you successfully sign in on your phone but your PS5 still displays sign in needed, verify that your Microsoft account itself is working correctly. Sign into your Microsoft account through a normal browser. If Microsoft asks you to verify your identity, update security information, or resolve another account issue, complete that process first. Microsoft also provides its sign-in helper for accounts that aren't authenticating correctly. Next, test your internet connection. If possible, temporarily connect your PS5 to another network, such as your phone's mobile hotspot, and try linking again. Recent troubleshooting reports show that some PS5 sign-in loops appear to be related to the connection between Forza Horizon 5, Microsoft Authentication, and PSN services. You can also go to PS5 Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, and select Restore Licenses. Once that's complete, restart the console and try Forza Horizon 5 again. Here's a pro tip. Don't randomly create and link another Microsoft account just because your original account isn't working. Your PSN account is tied to the Microsoft account used during the original linking process, so switching accounts can create additional problems. And be aware that this isn't necessarily something you've done wrong. Players have continued reporting the sign-in needed problem on PS5, including cases where authentication appears successful, but the game still refuses to continue. If none of these steps works, submit a support request to Forza support rather than deleting saves or experimenting with your account linkage. And that's how to troubleshoot the Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed error on PS5. If this guide fixed your problem, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you.